Hey everyone, it's Paolo here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online and how you can make $10,000 in 10 days. So what I'll do is I will show you these 3 simple steps that you will do so you can also earn up to $10,000 in 10 days and how you can make money online. So before we begin, let me go ahead and show you my personal results. So you will see in my dashboard right here that total earnings is $11,400. And if I go to my members dashboard, let me go ahead and quickly show you. So there you go. You will see that the commission earned for this particular affiliate account is $11,400. So if your goal is to make $10,000, I can help you do that because I already made this kind of results. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the simple steps. Now before we begin, I don't want to waste your time. So for those of you who are watching this video, if you want to get into this program, I would recommend that the initial capital required that you need is $1,635 US, and that will be converted into Bitcoin. So I recommend that you need to have this amount of initial capital so you can convert that, and basically once you put this amount of money, which is in Bitcoin, the earnings potential is around $11,445 instant Bitcoin commission for every cycle. So you can see in my account, I already made $11,400, right? So again, if your goal is to make $10,000, I can help you do that, and I'm here to coach you and I'm here to guide you. So these are the steps that you need to do. So step number 1 is to activate the system. So to activate the system, it's really straightforward. What you do, guys, is you go to this website. So the link will be in the description or in the pinned comment. So you can go to this website. It's called Go E1U Life. So when you go to this website, there's a video explainer here that will tell you how it works. But essentially the way this works, guys, is that this company, when you sign up, they offer different AI tools, automation tools, and software that you can use for any business. If you're an affiliate marketer, if you have any kind of business, you can use this as well. So these are the different AI tools, cost and automation tools. And the way this works is because it's subscription based. The business model is subscription based. For you to use the tools, you need to activate the packages. So when you activate the package, it will give you the equivalent credits, and then these credits, this is what you will use to activate the tools, and that's exactly how the company makes the money, right? And that's how you will make the money as well, because once the people join and they activate the packages, because they also want to use the AI tools and the software and the services, then the more package that they activate, the more package that they buy, then the more money that you will make. So now what you do is to activate the system, right? So you can also watch this video so you can understand how it works. But to activate the system, it's really straightforward. You just click on Start Earning Now, and you can create a free account. So you can, log in and then check out the members area. So you just complete this form, you can create a free account, and then you hit on submit. And then on the next page after that, you need to put your Bitcoin wallet address, because that's how you are getting paid. So everything on this platform, we are getting paid in Bitcoin. So what you can do is you go to your Coinbase. I'll put the link in the description so you can join Coinbase. And then from here, what you want to do is you click on Bitcoin, for example, and then you just grab your Bitcoin wallet address, and then you put your Bitcoin wallet address. So this one right here. So you click on Receive Crypto, and then you just copy the Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, so you just click on Bitcoin, and then from here, you click on that, and then you go back to the form. Right, so Start Earning Now, complete this form, hit submit. On the next page, you just paste your Bitcoin wallet address, and then basically all the commissions will be paid to your Bitcoin wallet address. Now, once you are logged in into your account, once you become a member, again, as a free member, you are now able to log in. Okay, so when you first log in, this is the dashboard, And as soon as you log in, they will give you these different links that you can promote as an affiliate. But before you promote, again, my recommendation is you need to activate the packages, because so you can make the most commissions. As a free affiliate, I believe you can earn 20% commission. But why would you settle on 20% commission if you can, if you can earn 100% commissions, right? So my recommendation is go for the 100% commission instead of being a free member and getting paid 20%. Just go all in and become a paid member so you can earn 100% commission. And these are the different tools in the software right here. So what you do is, before you promote these links right here, what you want to do is to activate your system. Okay, you go here to the My Business and My Matrix. So this is the part where you need to activate your packages so you can become qualified to earn the commissions of up to 11,445, which is what I will explain later in the video. So what you want to do here is, before you activate the bigger packages, everything has to start with the small package first. So you need to activate this first, and then you move on to the next package, and then you move on all the way to the $1,000. So you click on activate, and then it will show you $10. That's 100 credits you can use to activate the tools and the software. The admin fee, that's the total amount that you need to pay in Bitcoin. Okay, so this one right here. And then you need to pay the Bitcoin to this wallet address. And then once you complete the payment, you click on verify the payment. Once you activate the $10, the next step is you need to activate the $25. Then you move on to the $100, the $500, and $1,000. Now what will happen is, once you activate these packages will now assign, or the system will now assign, an active matrix to you. Okay, so now once it's activated, okay, before you even promote your link, even if you don't promote, okay, you can still make the commissions. But I recommend that you promote so you can make the most commissions as quickly as possible. So what will happen, let me just quickly show you the $1,000 package. So see where it says view matrix? That means you have an active matrix for the $1,000 package. So what will happen here is, if you click on view matrix, so you will see that there are different types of members, right? So the orange members, this orange icon, this means that these are the people that you directly referred. So your direct referrals. So you are the sponsor. The blue members, these are the members that is not directly connected to you. You don't know these people, and basically it's just the system placing the members in your matrix, and the matrix works in a 2x3 matrix. So it's a forced 2x3 matrix. Basically, this is you on top, okay, and then you get one member on the left, one member on the right, and then after that another member on the left, on the right, and 3 levels down, basically, right? And you can see that in my account, even if I don't know who these people are, and the system is placing these members, and whenever the system places the members in your in your pay line, which is the 3rd level, each of these paying member, that's an instant Bitcoin commission to you. So you can see it here, right? This is an active matrix, $1,000. This member, when he joined and when he paid, I got paid $1,000 instantly. And then another member, that's another member. So that's basically 4 members that I don't even know who these people are. And the system placed these members in my matrix, and I got paid $4,000. And I only have one direct referral right here. And you can see, right? So I'm getting paid. We're getting paid even if we don't promote. Now, if you want to promote, the easiest way that you can do this, right, if you want to make the most commissions, is basically step number 2 is to promote your link. So the easiest way to do this is, if you want to promote your link, what you want to do is go to the funnel referral link, this one right here. So you copy this link, and then that link will be this website right here, the AI Takeover Funnel, this one right here. So what you want to do, if you want me to promote your link, you go to this website, the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency, and then purchase any of this traffic package. So let's say the 100 buyers traffic campaign from Google. You click this package, and then from here, basically you click on add to cart or purchase. This package will be 100 buyers click, and the traffic will be coming from Google Ads from the US, Canada, UK, and Australia, because we want to promote your link to the people who have the money and people who have the credit card. So once you purchase the package, the next step is you message me on my Facebook page and then give me your link. And then once the campaign is live, basically the next step is the traffic will go live. People will sign up with GoE1ULife, and because they also want to make money online and they also want to use the different AI tools and software and services, then whenever they upgrade, they activate the package. Step number 3 is that's how you collect your commission. That's how you get your commission. So basically what you do, you go to transaction history right here. This is where you will be able to see, right? So all these members, whenever they join and they activate the package, you will see all your commissions. So that's $100, that's $500, $100. You can see all these commissions coming in, right? $25, all these $25, $100, all right? So $1,000, so $1,500, all these $100, 500. It's non-stop commissions, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So yeah, it will happen to you as well, guys, because again, you're promoting the same affiliate offer that I'm promoting, and you'll be using the same system that I'm using. And today you have the opportunity to have me promote your link, because you can purchase the traffic package from my traffic agency, and I will be helping you promote your affiliate link. So thank you for watching, guys. All the links will be in the description of the video, so you can check out GoE1ULife, and you can sign up for a free account and then activate your package and then follow the steps that I showed you, so you can start getting all these Bitcoin commissions. So these are Bitcoin commissions as well, guys. So these are instant commission. As soon as someone joins through your referral link, and when they make a payment, that commission will go straight to your Bitcoin wallet address. And then what you can do, if you want to learn how you can withdraw your Bitcoin, I have this all other videos about GoE1ULife, including this video that says GoE1ULife earnings withdrawal. So how you can withdraw your Bitcoin and convert that into your local currency, and then basically deposit that into your bank account and use that as money. Yeah? Use it as your money, because it's yours. It's your commission, so you can do whatever you want with your money. So that's it, guys. That's how you can make money online. $10,000 in 10 days with GoE1ULife. Exactly as I showed you. It's really simple. Anyone can do this as long as you can follow simple instructions. So if you like this video, make sure that you give this video a like or a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any other questions. Otherwise, you can also message me on my Facebook page, and I look forward to connecting with you in my Facebook page, and I look forward to hearing your success stories when you start getting all this $1,000, $500 commission with GoE1ULife. And I look forward to seeing your results with this particular platform. Again, all the links will be in the description of the video, guys, so you can sign up with GoE1ULife. And thank you for watching. And again, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So all the links will be in the description of the video, so you can sign up with GoE1ULife, and you can start generating this instant Bitcoin commission, and you can potentially earn up to $10,000 in the next coming days. Like in the next 10 days, you can earn up to $10,000 with this platform. So just follow the steps that I showed you, and I look forward to seeing your success stories, and I look forward to hearing your success and your results with GoE1ULife. So thank you for watching, guys. All the links are in the description of the video, so you can go to this website, sign up. As soon as you sign up, make sure that you activate all your packages, and you will start getting all these Bitcoin commissions. So thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.